The cavern of Sfendoni in north-central Crete bores into the north side of Mount Psiloritis for about 3,000 square meters. It's a remarkable site, 630 meters above sea level and well worth a visit, replete with the full complement of stalactites and stalagmites in an extraordinary formation. The cavern is protected by Unesco and well lit and laid out, with 145 meters of well-marked and safe walkways. There are 14 rooms which are explained by a guide. There is also a small admission price which varies within the season. Of particular interest are the calcium carbonate crystals that give off a peculiar glow. If you're lucky, you might catch a glimpse of 4 species of bat plus other small denizens of the darkness. The Sfendoni Cave is 1 kilometre north of the village of Zoniana, which is 43 kilometres from Heraklion and 52 kilometres from Rethymno. There are regular KTEL buses to Zoniana from both cities.